I'm Dr. Mac Alford. I'm a professor of botany in the School of Biological, Environmental, and Earth Sciences at USM. And my expertise is plant systematics, which basically means biodiversity of plants in the world. So I like to do things like find new species and travel the world looking for new things, figuring out how they're related to each other, and then seeing how they live, what pollinates them, what disperses their fruits, and all those good kinds of things. And to some degree that has inspired how I see this class, because as a scientist, there are always limitations to what we can know. And so the theme of my class will be a sense of limitation. The book I'm most excited about teaching is What a Plant Knows. And this is a book about plant senses. We often don't think about how plants encounter the world, but they also have ways of seeing and smelling and tasting and hearing and feeling. And so this book does a very good job at looking at the different ways that plants sense the world and how they are similar to the ways that we humans and other animals sense the world, and how they're different. And so there are lots of surprises in that book about the similarities and differences. It's also a great book because it shows how we know what we know about the senses of plants, which of course, unlike us, we can't just ask them. One of my most interesting experiences as an undergraduate was when my advisor called me in and told me that I had to take 3 physical education classes to graduate. And I wasn't very interested in taking 3, so I took all 3 the same semester. And I had running at 6 o'clock in the morning, fitness walking at 7 o'clock in the morning, and tennis at 8 o'clock in the morning. And needless to say, I wasn't very good at tennis at 8 o'clock.